Welcome guys to another video. Today we are going to look at iCoinPro compensation plan. There is an update, and as of now I think that it's going to be really quite important for you guys to understand the whole elements of why iCoinPro is within the Pro system itself. If you are following me and if you are following the Pro system, this channel guys is all about marketing, is all about actually teaching you a strategy, a method to start building an online consistent flow of leads, consistent flow of income, consistent flow of sales. It's important to have the foundation straight, and iCoinPro is one of 4 income streams within the Pro system that I have. The reason for it is because it is focused on educational knowledge, so digital products and tools that you can use to learn a skill. Now, they also have a very strong, right now they've updated their marketing plan, so it's good for any network marketers or people who are looking to distribute this product. It's got a good chunkier, beefier, let's say, commission based, which is, if you just focus, let's not complicate things. I'm gonna simplify it for you guys in this video, and I want you guys to focus on few things. If you're in iCoinPro and you're trying to understand it, this video can also be used for you as a due diligence in terms of understanding the compensation plan and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm not going to go into specific details. Another thing, any illustrations on this video are all for, as you see, for illustration based purposes. Okay, so I'm going to say very clearly an income disclaimer. Just give me a second, guys. I would like to put up a disclaimer right here in case we have it. Okay, it's not here right now, but like I said, it is a good, very good structure, but I cannot, these are only for illustration purposes, that everything is right here. So iCoinPro, guys, is a membership that you can pay $100 per month for, and you're going to get cryptocurrency knowledge. Now, what does that mean? Let's just open this in a new tab, and I want to show you guys the home screen of the page, how it looks, what you can expect and stuff like that. So let's go here. As you can see, it's knowledge is power. It's a pretty simple website, and you get educational content, technology content, okay, because it is a technology company. It has its own trade finder, which is a software that actually crawls over all trades and gives you alerts on the trades, potential trades, which you can take, and it's up to you to then evaluate whether it's a good trade for you or not. They have weekly live training, weekly webinars, and also an income opportunity right here. Okay, so this is what it is. But as I said, it has a lot. If you want to check out about the company, you can find out more about the company right here. What it is, it's a green company. The mission, as you can see, is to reach and maximize cryptocurrency results. We are looking to be educational, informative, and train on everything cryptocurrency related, and also reach up to at least 1 million members is what our goal is. But it's actually basically to spread the knowledge, which is why we want 1 million members, right? If you have that in place, it's good to go. Honestly, you are affecting the lives of 1 million people, teaching them and giving them a skill set that they need. It costs $100, as I said. To be specific, $99.95 per month. And there are a few ways. There are 4 ways actually that you can earn from iCoinPro if you become a distributor and you share this product with somebody else. So I don't want you to get confused or scared about it, but I'm going to just briefly go through the methods, and then I'm going to specify what you need to focus on, because then after you focus on that one thing, it's a snowball effect, guys. It's a domino effect. Everything falls into place. I'm going to repeat that slowly for you guys. Once you focus on a few things, everything else falls into place. The problem is that many people get overwhelmed with the information, and they cannot break the elephant down into bite-sized pieces. This breaks it down into bite-sized pieces for you, okay? So the first thing that you need to understand is you get an immediate, for every personally enrolled person and who becomes active, obviously, you get $50 commission straight off the back. It's a fast start bonus. That means somebody comes in, they pay $100, $50 goes to you. That's 50% commission just goes to you immediately. Okay, and that's a weekly bonus paid out. Obviously, there are levels, and if somebody under you, if you're already on the 3-star and above, somebody under you gets a fast start bonus, then you get 10 from that. And if somebody below that, then you get 8, 5, and 3, and it goes down. So it goes 5 levels down for fast start bonus. Then you have the infinity overrides. This basically means that once you reach a certain level or rank, as we call it in iCoinPro, then you until you another person in your tree or in your community or in your team reaches the same level, you will get paid $3 from the first generation of everybody who comes under you. So that's a potential, that's a high thing, because you could get up to $9 every single time an initial somebody joins your organization. So it's quite cool. And then you have the binary commissions, and the binary commissions are paid out on the smaller leg. Okay, so if you have a binary system, basically it's left and right. So you have left and right, and it's usually paid out on the smaller leg. So that means on the not yet performing leg. Okay, that means the company gets a kickback from it, definitely. It keeps things running. At the same time, you have maximum potential. And this is quite interesting to see. If you're unranked members, you're not any rank and as such like that, you can get a maximum monthly earning of 2,500. Just this, for a lot of people, wow, will change their lives. Just to have a monthly income of 2,500 if you fill up your binary. So this is a key element, okay, to remain. So as you can see here, to qualify for binary, the distributor must have at least one personally enrolled active member, customer, or distributor on each leg. 3 stars and above must have at least 10 active members, and it just talks to you about it, okay? But as you can see right here, it goes up to 250 per month. This is a crazy monthly earnings if you're a star presidential. So that's the ultimate goal for many people, to reach that. If you reach $250, 250,000 per month, you are it basically is good for team builders to see this potential that you have in the company. So it's really nice to see. And then you have matching bonuses that come down as well. Again, I'm not going to go through everything, guys. What I want you to focus on is this right here, the fast start bonuses. Okay, you get 2 people in, 1 person goes to your left leg, 1 person goes to your right leg, and those 2 people that you get a $50 commission on them. That means you get $100. So if you focus every single month just to bring 2 people in, okay, if you focus every month just to bring 2 people, you're introducing this to 2 new people. In a year, you're introducing this to 2 people for 12 months. So that's 24 people in the whole year. Your organization is 24 people in the whole year. Okay, you're getting your first and foremost, if you just aim on those 2 people, you have immediately, because it's a fast start bonus, that means you get 50 that time when the person joins, and then they go into your monthly binary, right? Now, if you teach them to do the same thing and just get two more people, great. Now that's an ideal situation, right? I'm just going to talk to you not about an ideal situation. And say you get 2 people and you just focus on getting 2 people every single month. You get a total, and all these people stay, you get a total of 24 people in, okay? 12 on the left, 12 on the right. That's brilliant, because the monthly definitely comes into perspective. So on everyone who pays monthly, you get 8% of that on the left leg. So you get 8% of 12 people who are paying monthly, which is quite cool. Okay, so you're definitely getting a monthly residual income, and at the same time, if you focus every month on getting 2 people, your membership is paid every month. 2 people come in, they pay for the membership. 2 people come in, they pay for the membership. 2 people come in, they pay for the membership. And you are focusing only then, and start slowly getting a residual monthly income in place. But your focus is only this: 2 people, 2 people, 2 people. If you want to get 4 people, great. But I would always suggest to get the first 2 people. So these are the cool things about the iCoinPro compensation plan as well. There is a traffic rotator right here. I'm just going to briefly show you guys, which is connected to the compensation plan directly. You can have it on alternate legs if you're just building out. Or for example, if you're like me and you already have a few people on the legs. You can see right here I have to even it out, so I would actually put more people on the right leg at this point of time. Then, because on the left leg there are quite a few people, I need to put more people on the right leg here. So let's see what happens and see how it's going to be built out. But definitely, I have some work cut out for me in the next few months to get the same strategy that I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the compensation plan, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you did like this video, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to see you on the next video. But until then, if you're interested in joining iCoinPro, I'm going to leave a link in the description as well. See you on the next one.